Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review of Amit Kumar's Facebook advertising services. So he's been doing it for me for 2 weeks, and I've got to say, huge improvements. I did not expect it. I expected it to help a little, but it's completely changing my business. Before I was getting about 8 appointments a week, as a newer cleaner. Now I'm getting, 15 to 20, and that's with me really doing nothing at all. He's got everything set up, so he's run the advertising. He actually has a bot set up for the messages, so I don't even have to handle that side. It's just at the very end, it'll give me the lead. I'll just reach out to them. They already know the cost. I already know what time they are looking for and what day, and I just reach out and make sure that day will work for you. So it's really stress-free on my part. Not nearly as much follow-up is needed, and it just makes everything simple. So if you're looking at Facebook advertising or just a way to get new customers out there, highly recommend Amit Kumar.